Hey guys, so now the last step is going to be to code our information screen. So we're going to go into our yellow events tab and we're going to add when I receive info and when green flag is clicked. So when our green flag is clicked, we want to make sure that this is hidden. So we're going to add a hide. And when we receive info, we want to go ahead and add a show. So when I receive info, I'm able to see my actual instructions. I'm also going to add underneath this a go to x0, y0, just to make sure that it's exactly where it needs to be. And we're also inside of looks right below show. We're going to add a go to front layer and a go forward one, just to make sure that it's covering our actual intro screen itself. Now that we have that, we're going to, underneath this, go to our yellow events tab, and we're going to use when this bright clicked. So when we actually click on this instruction info screen, we want to go ahead and do a couple of things. We want to go into looks and we want to hide it. Then we also want to broadcast something. New info, we're going to call this close info. So we've closed the info screen. And now we want to go ahead and make sure that the rest of these have the close info as well. So for my play button, when I receive close info, I'm going to go into looks and I'm going to show again. And I'm going to do the same thing with my info button as well. So underneath this, I'm going to add a when I receive close info. I'm going to go into looks and I'm going to show. So we kind of planned everything out, but it's always good to test out everything just to make sure that it's working the way that you want to. Because even though we kind of know how it should work, it doesn't mean that it will work that way. So we're going to go ahead and test it out together. So when I click on my green flag, I see my title screen, I see my title, I see my both buttons. When I click on play, it hides both of my buttons and my intro. So that's perfect. I'm going to stop, click on the green flag again. Now, when I click on my info screen, it hides both of my buttons. My how to play is showing and it's all the way at the very top, so that's perfect. When I click on the go back button, it hides it and I can see both my play button and my info screen. So everything is, and my info button. So everything is working exactly the way that I want to. It's perfect. For added bonus for some of you guys, instead of using hide, maybe you want to have this effect, kind of the ghost effect, kind of showing it back into the screen or off of the screen. So that's kind of up to you if you guys want to add that little bit of an animation so it's not just really quickly. But aside from that, everything is working the way it should, so that is perfect. And once you guys are done, that's going to be it for week 1 core and deep dive. Look forward to week 2 where we're going to now add more stuff in order to start now building the game now that we have a strong base.